out here checking a client's freeze protection, and a little tip: if you have a control system, this is an attendant by Poolside Tech, but if you have a Jandy or a Pentair or even a Hayward control system, typically have air sensors that hang underneath the box. That's it right there. If you put it in some ice water, you can just use a cup of ice water. The customer gave me a picture, but you can just use a small cup full of ice water, put the sensor down in there, and that should cause the freeze protection to kick on. Now, when I'm done, I don't want to leave this sensor hanging out in the sun or directly up against the wall. I want to tuck it up here in the shade. That way I don't get a false reading from heating from the sun when we're trying to read accurate air temperature, because the freeze protection runs off air temperature. It does not run off water temperature. It goes off ambient air. And I want to make sure that you don't get a false reading from anything that can like create extra heat around it, like being in the sun, up against a brick wall or anything like that.